Welcome to Tomoko's kitchen. Well, not really. I'm in the farmer's market today. There's so many nice stuff here.
I think of what else I had on my list.
I buy cute stuff today.
That's 10.85.
Do you have purple one today? Purple cauliflower?
No,
No, not today. Okay.
it would be $6 altogether.
Okay. Hi, how are you, Steve?
How are you?
Good. So this is my favorite place, and
And I'm her best buddy.
okay, today I have a surprise for you.
Oh,
This
thanks.
one.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Can I open it?
Sure. Please open. Yeah, please try. He's my quinoa fan. This is the first time.
Wow, so good. Wow.
Thank you.
Thanks. Very good.
You're welcome. Okay, I will take this one.
Sure.
Okay. Of course, I buy some flowers from here. I got this flower bouquet today. Shopping is finished, so I will go back to the kitchen.